to my channel. So today, as you can see in the title, I'm going to be going vegan for a day, going vegan for 24 hours, whatever. It is very early in the morning right now for me. Let's see what time it is. It's about 8:30 in the morning. That's really early for me. I have college for a little bit, so I'm gonna have some breakfast, then go there, then come back. Just look at me. This is what I look like at 8:30 in the morning. I feel like I've only had about 3 hours sleep, and my voice sounds like a man. And I could literally drop asleep right now, so I'm just gonna make my breakfast. So I wanted normal Weetabix, but we don't have it, so I get to have some of the chocolate chip one, so I'm gonna have that. And then I bought some Alpro milk. It's the oat flavour, so I'm not really sure what it's gonna taste like. There was only like the ones were like the chocolate one or the hazelnut one. So I'm gonna give this one a go and see what it tastes like. I don't know if anyone else just like kind of struggles to eat a bit in the morning because they're not that hungry. But to be fair, I do feel a bit hungry this morning, but normally. Really? This isn't the aesthetic that I wanted when I was pouring my cereal in my fucking bowl. Lovely. Oh. You couldn't even see me pouring that in. That could have been a really cool little milk action shot. So here's what my cereal looks like. Let me try and lower the camera so you can see it a bit better. Wow, look at that heavenly shot. The milk, well, it's not milk, Alpro, is very runny, so we're going to see what this is like. So I've got my really lovely water with me this morning. I was going to make a green tea, but I haven't got that long to eat this, so who has time? I've never tried the Alpro milk before. I've tried the chocolate Alpro milk, but never the oat one, so let's give a taste test. Just make sure it's not dry as fuck. I don't really know, like, ugh. It's like, it's not really a taste, but it's just very like, very watery. Kind of feels like I've just put a little bit of like flavoured water in my bowl. Like, I don't hate it and being dramatic, but it's just not, I don't know. Because the Alpro chocolate milk, obviously that's going to be nicer, but that is a lot nicer than this. I have to admit, I'm not very keen for that Alpro milk. Maybe the almond one's better, but the oat one, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not living for that really. I am like, oh, look at that. Bloody hell, I don't even know if you can see it. Oh, and I just got it on the floor. Brilliant. I just thought as well, I googled it to see if Weetabix was vegan, and I see like vegan YouTubers eating Weetabix, but it had chocolate chips in, so I don't know. I don't really know. I might have to retitle it vegetarian. I'm going to take an orange to college, and that's about it until I see you at lunch. I've just got back from college and I'm now going to make a vegetarian lunch. Now, I went shopping yesterday and grabbed a few things, which was the Alpro as well. We're going vegan, bitches. And then I grabbed these wholemeal pita things, which I'm just going to put some salad and stuff in, and hopefully, let me check. Cleo. Shit. Should have got hummus. I was going to have hummus, but there's none left that I can see. So I'll just have carrots on its own instead. So it is, I don't know if you can see, nearly two, and I'm gonna just chop some things up. What am I doing with my life? Right, well, can't even cut a fucking piece of pita. I was going to put like hummus in this, but obviously there isn't any, so I'm just literally going to shove it all in. It's definitely, what am I doing? It's definitely going to all spill out. Wow. Master Chef aesthetic. Ooh. Here's my lovely meal. I hope you can see some lovely wholemeal pita. All you see and everything that I put in. I mean, it's a wrap, so not a wrap, a pita. It's all spilling out, so I know it's going to taste nice because I have these all the time. A bit dry. I look a little bit better than I did earlier on. I am going out, so I put some makeup on and better clothes, and yeah, so I need to make the food before I go. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go downstairs now and try this corn. So I've got these corn pieces, and I think these are vegetarian, not vegan as well. So I don't really read that. I need to do it properly and actually go through it all and have a look at ingredients before I buy them. So I have to do like half vegan, half vegetarian. But how do I do it? I don't know if there's sauce in there or you have to add sauce, You need to add sauce. I'm just going to add some chopped tomatoes in it. You can do it in the microwave and on the hob. What temperature? Oh, just says to heat your sauce, then add frozen corn pieces. Stir, cover and simmer for 12 minutes. I'm also going to make some pasta to go with it. It's just cooking, so you need to put it in and simmer it for 12 minutes. It doesn't smell that nice so far, so I'm just going to leave it in there, then do my pasta in a sec. I need to hurry up because I need to go. Spaghetti's in. I feel like MasterChef. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to get a fork out. I'm trying to taste it. I don't really know how I'm going to feel about this. I'm going to try and test it and see, but I hope I've cooked it right. It's not awful, to be honest. I thought it'd be worse. Let's get a bit more. It does kind of taste like chicken, but not really. Quite like it. Get it with some pasta, spaghetti. I'm going to go and sit down and eat this because I'm supposed to be out in about 10 minutes. So I'm going to quickly eat this and then I'm going to end the video. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to do a proper one where it's not vegan and vegetarian, where it is just one instead of both, because this one's been all over the shop. But I just thought I wanted to try a few things from there anyway, so I thought I might as well video it. But yeah, so I might do like a vegan day. So if you partly enjoyed this, then hopefully that should, I don't know when I'll do that, but hopefully I'll do that soon when I have a week where I can kind of do it. But as usual, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I have quite a few vlogs coming out soon, so if you enjoy vlogs then stay tuned, because I've got quite a lot that are going to spring out, yeah, through Feb. So bye.